Xiaomi announced their first foldable smartphone, the Mi Mix Fold, during the second part of their mega launch this week. And straight away, it brings the game to Samsung and Huawei with a stunning $1,500 price tag and some exciting technology. First of all, let's get the relatively ordinary stuff out of the way. The device carries an inward folding form factor like the Galaxy Fold and Huawei Mate X2. It is based on the flagship Snapdragon 888 chipset. It is packing a huge 5020 mAh battery coupled with 67-watt wired fast charging, which gets the device fully charged up in just 37 minutes. There is a 20 megapixel hole punch selfie camera on the right side of the exterior display. The Mi Mix Fold is also packing an excellent triple camera setup with the 108 megapixel Samsung HM2 sensor leading the way. A 13 megapixel ultra-wide snapper is also there. Then there is another telephoto lens which also doubles as a macro lens, and I'll be talking about it later in this video. There is Wi-Fi 6E, multifunctional NFC and Bluetooth 5.2 as well. The phone offers up to 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. With that, let's move on to the special bits of this device. Apart from the exterior Galaxy Fold-like design, underneath the shell it has a strong and precise hinge design. It has also been put through over 1 million folding cycles of testing. Xiaomi claimed that this is at least 27% lighter than the conventional hinge designs. However, the whole device is heavier than other two foldables, Mate X2 and Z Fold 2, but bigger dimensions and other hardware are mainly responsible for that. The back panel is also supported with a non-magnetic high-strength steel sheet to make the screen flatter and tougher. The Mi Mix Fold has a 6.52-inch 90Hz AMOLED panel on the exterior of the device, and it has an aspect ratio of 27:9. Now, on the inside, it offers an 8-inch 2K AMOLED panel with a classic 4:3 aspect ratio. This display offers clever split-screen functionalities that could help you speed up your work. It is also an excellent screen for entertainment purposes as well. Both screens get HDR10+ support and are backed by Dolby Vision. However, it is important to note that the middle display crease is still fairly visible as it is with the other foldables. Xiaomi provides a special PC mode similar to Samsung DeX with this Mix Fold. It lets you enter the special mode with a simple 3-finger swipe on the screen. This mode enables a Windows desktop type user interface which lets you handle a number of apps in multiple windows. For the first time ever in a smartphone, you get to see a 4-speaker system with the Mi Mix Fold. Each speaker has a 1.34cc equivalent sound cavity, and the entire system is Harman Kardon tuned. This is exactly what you get in a tablet. As I said earlier, apart from the standard wide and ultra-wide lenses, the Mi Mix Fold uses a liquid lens which gives the user the option of using it as either a telephoto or a macro. This is in fact the first time that a major smartphone company used this bionic technology in one of their smartphones. The whole mechanism of this lens is quite similar to the human eye. It is essentially a thin film which contains a flowable optical grade liquid inside. When an electric current is applied to this film, it changes the shape of it, which triggers the focal length and working distance of the lens also to be changed. It helps the lens to have faster focusing speeds as well. Therefore, it is well suited for applications where you need to shoot objects that are either differently sized or placed at various distances, and you need to switch quickly between the said objects. That's how it works as both a telephoto lens with 30 times zooming and a macro lens. Inside the Mi Mix Fold, there is a special chip which has been developed by Xiaomi themselves. It is essentially an image processing chip which is there to help the main SoC speed up its own ISP tasks. Xiaomi confirmed that this chip is independently soldered onto the logic board and it acts alone under its own algorithm, which has also been developed by Xiaomi. This algorithm is named as 3A algorithm, and it targets improved performance with autofocus, auto white balance and auto exposure. In order to maintain the performance levels of its flagship hardware, the Mi Mix Fold uses a special butterfly type cooling system, putting that large area of its body to full use. The cooling system consists of a large vapor chamber, thermal gel and multi-layer graphite sheets. It in fact has an effective total heat dissipation area of over 25,000 square millimeters. It is capable of dissipating the heat generated not only from processing but also fast charging and high-speed 5G downloads. Last but not least, its price tag is what essentially makes this whole device a complete revolution. Priced at 9,999 RMB, it is almost a whopping 7,000 RMB cheaper than the next cheapest foldable available in the market. That is just massive. So can it successfully challenge the other two big name foldables? With everything considered, I think it can. But there is a big caveat to it. It is still unsure if this foldable is ever going to go global. If it does somehow, Samsung and Huawei should really be concerned about it. And that's about it for today. Do subscribe if you liked our content and want to stay updated on more info related to all the latest smartphone releases. You can watch our other Xiaomi videos right here as well. So till next time, stay safe.